Good morning, people. So, this is a continuation of the session on sequences and series. So, as we are just going to continue from where we left from. In our previous session, we discussed what geometric progression is, and I gave out this question: find the seventh term of an exponential sequence. To be honest, I've seen the solutions to St. Andrews. I've seen your solution. Exponential sequence of the form, yeah, of the form. Can someone read the of the form? Can of the form? What is that? Can someone read it out? I think it's 510. Is that it?
Yeah, 2040.
Yeah, got it. So now solution. So based on what we discussed the other time, I said for exponential sequences, first of all, assuming this wasn't said in a question, and they said find the seventh term, okay, find the seventh term, then you have to ask yourself, is it an AP or GP? Now, for geometric progression or exponential sequences, I said that the next term, the subsequent term, it's always gotten by, so by multiplying each term by, I'm sorry, by multiplying the preceding term, like what's behind it, with a certain constant. Okay. All the time to get the next term, you multiply the preceding term by a certain constant. Constant means that it doesn't change. So if you discover that the constant is 5, meaning all the terms was gotten by multiplying what is behind it by that constant, right? So if it doesn't look so, then it's not a GP. It's not an exponential sequence. The word is exponential sequence or geometric progression. Geometric progression is what we calling GP. Okay, right. Now, then if I say EP, that's arithmetic progression. Now you can see that to get 10, we multiply 2 to 5, right? And we had 10. Now to get 20, we multiply 2, that same constant 2 to 10, we have 20. To get 40, we multiply that same 2 to 10 and 2 to 20, and we had what? 40. So that's what so it makes that what? An exponential sequence, isn't it? If so, then to find the nth term, it's given by the formula, the first term multiplied by the common ratio to the power of the nth term minus 1, right? Now, UN represent the n term, and here they said find the seventh term, so the n becomes what? 7. A is what? No, before that, even before you start, you have to establish your common ratio. So the common ratio is calculated by taking any, if you taking this term, you divide by what is behind it. If you take this like that, so that'll be what? U3. I'm choosing here 20 on 10. So that'll be the third term over what? The second term. If you are joining for the first time, oh, I've not even uploaded yesterday's session. Okay, if you have any question, you can just bring it on. Normally, to get a common ratio, you take the first term and you divide by the preceding term, right? So this one will be 20 on what? 10. So R is equal to, what's that? 2. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, so that is it. Now, knowing R, then now you can continue by saying that to find the n term, here in this case, they are saying U7 is equal to A is the first term. In that sequence, the first term is 5. All right, times R now is calculated as 2. N is 7 minus 1. It's n minus 1. So that will become 5 times 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. Now 2 exponent 6 is what? I think something. What is the calculator? I can't believe you guys can't even work it out over there.
64.
Okay.
64.
All right, 64. So in all, it's what? 320.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it. So there's a 710. So you can conclude by saying therefore the 710 is 320. So I've checked everyone's assignment. Let's see patience. Um, mm, yeah, you got it. Patience, you got it. Yeah, let me check for Andrews. No. Okay, okay, okay. And Andrews. Andrews, I've always said don't initiate two equal signs on the same line. How many times do I have to say you don't listen to my corrections? So it's not about your answer. It's about your presentation. Huh? Haven't I warned you guys about stuff like this? Huh? Eh? What is this? It's not about your answer, it's about the presentation. Okay. Is anyone writing? Should we continue? I have one for you. Is anyone writing?
Joseph.
Okay, Bennett, so let me see what she has. Mm, yeah. Bennett, you calculated the common ratio elsewhere. Huh? You have to write the common ratio first, establish it first before you can substitute the formula. You heard me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue. Charity, you're welcome. We record most of our sessions, so what we've already done is uploaded. Yeah, but for the past, I think 4 sessions, I've not uploaded them, as I'll do so. I'll do so. I'll do so. Yeah, same applies to Victoria. Find the 11th term of the exponential sequence of the form 324 108 36 12. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that is it. Can you try your hands on this? I'm giving you just, listen, you have just 1 minute.
Hey.
Okay. So what's the first thing you have to do?
Find the R.
What's R?
Common ratio.
Yeah. So Victoria, joining today, what did you hear about R? How we find R? Say that again.
U3 over U2.
Yeah, so yeah. Or you can do U like this one over this. So I think that's the fourth number, right? So U4 over U3. They will all give you the same answer. Or you can do this U2 over U1. So I would choose, I just want to create diversity. So that would be 12 on 36. So R is equal to 12 on 36. Yeah, it's 1 on 3. Then now, what do you do, guys, next? What do we do next?
They find the best.
If I want, it's not necessary, we know that already. What do we do?
We find the 11th thing.
Give me the formula.
In the formula.
UN
Mm-hmm.
equals
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
N minus 1.
Right.
To the
So you have to find 11, 10. So that'll be U what? 11. U11, yeah. Is equal to A is 324 times R is established as 1 over 3. Exponent N minus 1. That's 11 minus,
10.
yeah, 11 minus 10.
11 minus 1 is 10.
Okay.
Director,
Yes.
you were asking 11 minus 1 and I said
I
10.
understand, yeah. So U11 equals 324. I want to say something here. Everybody freeze. Yeah. I want to say something here. When you have a fraction in a bracket and it has a power, the power affects the numerator of the fraction and the denominator. It affects both of them. Hmm? So it's going to be 1 exponent 10, then 3 exponent 10. You get it? Yeah, so 1 exponent 10 is what? 1. 3 exponent 10 is what? I know you don't even mind me as a person. It's 59049. Ah, U11, what's your final answer, guys?
4 over 7 is 9.
Now you mind me. Let me calculate myself. I'm coming to confirm.
That's
Yeah. What's that? 4 over 729. Yeah. Oh, mm, maybe you can choose to put that in the decimal if you want. This cannot be reduced further.
It can be reduced. No. How do you press X the calculator will go through? You get
One
5.4. So that's when that's I'm eating using.
Yeah, okay. So that's it. Charity, how is it? How is it looking? I know it's your first time. Is she the Charity? How is it looking?
Please you talk to them. Basically.
Yeah. How is it looking? Okay. Yeah, so guys, I brought you friends. A friend. Yeah. Victoria, I think you've seen her before, huh? Or it's her first time. Oh, then I brought two friends today. But Victoria is part of the 51 students that are staying at home. Yeah, so
Yes.
They'll be coming one by one. And if you are there, don't watch your friend. Each one came individually. Yeah,
Okay.
if you follow others, your result will be evident of the effort you put in. You understand? I was telling them
Okay.
with our 51 registered candidate for NOVDEC, and your attendance is not even up to half. Remember the reason why you came to work on your registration. When you go to the exam at the hostel, you see all of them, everyone around and all. You would definitely see them. All right. And at the end of the day, those that participated in some of our sessions, you stand out, you know. There are certain things I cannot see here. Maybe after the class, I will touch on that. Let's pause here and continue. The second and fourth, I have another one. The second and no. Let's do this first. Find the 12. Damn. Andrews, how is it going?
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Of the GP
Eh,
and 28, 64, 32, dot. All right. Yeah, let's see how it goes. This for you. I'm gonna pause. You have just 1 minute. What did you say?
1/16.
Voila. Yeah. Andrews, what are you getting?
1/16.
Okay. All right. And I have a lot of people today, so Venice, JC, Anna, Patience. Okay, let's see. So help me out. No, let me call someone. Linda.
I'm not very much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Linda, you are doing integrated science as a call.
Yes.
Okay. Patience. Yeah.
That
Yeah. So where do we start from?
write your formula. UN is equal to ARN minus 1. Then U for R. R is equal to U2 over U1.
Sister, now to what? If I had taught you like that, would you have grasped the understanding? Uh-huh. R is equal to what? What should I do?
Then write U2 over U1.
Mm-hmm.
R is equal to 64 over 128.
128.
Yes.
Hmm.
R is equal to 1 over 2.
1 over.
1 over 2.
Okay. So
So your
now,
answer 12 then.
mhm. A is 128. This
Brackets
one,
1
so R is 1 over 2 exponent what?
over 1. 12 minus 1.
Okay. So you have 128. 1 over 2.
Brackets. Then it's 11.
Okay. So that would become
128 times
128 times
1 over 2048.
2048. And if you're wondering how she had that, I said the square of the power affects the numerator and the denominator. So it's going to be 1 exponent 11 all over 2 exponent 11. Right. So 128 times 1 over 2048. That's 1 on 16, right? Okay. At this juncture, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Joanna has joined on Zoom. Welcome. Um, oh, Dad, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Andrews, I hope I'm not rushing on. Jessica, how is it going? All right. Sorry if I've not called your name. I'll call you. All right. The next one. The second term. The second and fourth terms of an exponential sequence. That's GP of positive terms are 9 and 4 respectively. Fine. So this exactly as what we're doing in AP. Arithmetic progression. It's the same thing. Find A, the common ratio. Was anybody writing a previous solution? Should I scroll?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Then I'm rushing you on it. Sorry. Can you see or I should still scroll for you? So I'm gonna wait for you finish writing, then I write this question. Then I will tell you. Yeah, done it. Everyone, find out if everyone is done writing.
No, everyone. Only you.
Okay. So I'm gonna wait for you to finish writing. When you are done, then I'll time you for this one. So I'm waiting. Right. So someone should read the question.
The second and fourth term of an exponential series, GP of positive terms are 9 and 4 respectively.
So meaning the second term of the exponential sequence is what?
9.
And then the fourth term is what?
4.
That's what it means. Now, what second term is established with this U2? And U2 is equal to ARS. The formula is n minus 1. That's 2 minus 1. Yeah. So that would be U2 is equal to AR exponent what? 1 or AR, right? Right? But you are told that the second term, but you are told that U2, they said the second term is what? 7. So that means you have AR is equal to 7. This will be your equation 1. Then now, the fourth term is denoted with U4. Where the formula is going to be AR exponent n minus 1. N is 4, so 4 minus 1. U4 will be equal to U4 will be equal to AR exponent 3. But in the question, because you don't have A, so but U4 is equal to what?
4.
4. So, yeah. So you have AR exponent 3 is equal to what? 4. You name this as what? Equation 2. Right. Now, Right now we're just looking at how we can find R, A, and R. So there are two approaches to go by, but I want to I want us to do what we're familiar with first, okay? So maybe we should make A the subject in equation 2. Or where do you want to make the subject? Hello?
Let's make it.
Or I should give you this approach. You know what? You can simply do this. Equation 2. You divide equation 2 by equation 1. See, if you don't like this advanced strategy, just let me know, and when I'm done, I will change it for you. I will do what you know. Okay.
Okay.
But I mean, this looks very simple to me. If this is the case, equation 2 is AR, right? Exponent 3 equals 4. So if I'm dividing by equation 1 over AR, you see, here 2 over what? Hey, sorry. You see that part is what? AR equals 7. So that will be AR, here will be what? 7. I don't know if you see what I'm talking about.
It's nine. It's nine, not seven.
Say that again.
It's nine, not seven.
Oh, is that? It's 9, it's true. It's 9. Okay, so here will be 9.
Nine.
Right? So that you see A will cancel A. Even R is 3 here, so it will cancel 1. You'll be left with R squared. You see, you'll be left with what? R squared.
Got to 4/9.
So it will be R squared equals even 4 over 9. What's that? Can it not be reduced further? No.
Yes.
It cannot, right? So that R will be equal to what? You know, R squared equals 4 over 9. You take the square root of R, you take the square root, right? So you have, it cancels out, so R is equal to. Now, when you have the square root on a fraction, the square root affects the 4, it affects what? To the 9. So that will be square root of 4, which is what? 2. Square root of 9 is what? 3. Oh, you can put this on the calculator. You don't need to or have to bother your head. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then can you see?
Yes, sir.
Then now you can put R is equal to 2 over 3 into any equation. I think equation 1 will look simple. So that would be AR equals 9. A into bracket R is 2 over 3. It's equal to 9, right? 9. When it's 11, then you go for break. So this one will be 2A over what? 3, right? This one only multiplies the numerator, I told you. It doesn't affect the denominator, so it's equal to 9. What do? This one actually is over 1, so you cross multiply. 2A times 1 is 2A, 3. 3 times 9 is what? 27, right? 2A is equal to 27. You divide by 2, you divide by 2. A is equal to what? If I don't reduce this A, you think it's 9. Yeah. Check for me. 27 on 2 is what?
10.5.
No, I want the fraction.
7 over 2.
20. Oh, yeah. It cannot be reduced for that. So let's leave it at that. If you want decimal, you can do that. Guys, are you okay? Let me know if you're okay. We can change the approach. I mean, solving the simultaneous equation, this and that. You see, I wanted us to divide equation 2 by 1 to make it easy. We can change, we can think of substitution. But let me know if you have a question first.
Go ahead, then. If you don't have any question.
Maybe you should finish writing.
Okay, then.
So what I want to do with you is just the two equations, how to solve them simultaneously, okay? Victoria, are you lost? Okay, I can hear her. I'm continuing. AR, the equations are, so the equations are AR is equal to 9, right? Then the next one is AR exponent 3 is equal, oops, exponent 3 is equal to 4. Sorry, guys, what's going on? Yeah, I got it. No, still. Right, AR exponent 3 is equal to 4. These are the two equations. It's R, don't take it for 8. So change of subject is what you know, right? So let's see if maybe we should make A the subject, right?
Yes.
No, I'm coming. If you're making A the subject, I don't want R to be I don't want R to be exponent 4 because at your level, or yeah, it can still work out. Because at your level, it's not in your syllables that I teach you quartic functions or quartic equations. We call something quartic equation, the power 4. But I want to see something. Make it the subject in equation 2. Okay. So that'll be whatever you want, you can do that. Okay. You have AR exponent what? AR exponent 3 equals 4. Making A the subject means that you divide by what? No, you divide by whatever that is attached to it, right? Let me pick this one. Yeah, so we're gonna have AR exponent 3 equals 4. So you divide by what? We're making A the subject, so let's divide by R exponent 3, right? Divide by R exponent 3. So it cancels out. Now you have E standing out. So E is equal to 4 over what? R exponent 3. So that's the first stage. Then now let's put A equals 4 over R exponent 3 into equation what? 1, right? So, hello, are you guys there?
Yeah.
So into equation 1, let's go. Equation 1 is AR equals 9. Yes, now you're going to do this yourself. Do it. What's going on? You can substitute A equals 4 over R exponent 3 into equation 1. Should I close the class?
No, sir.
None of you can make a substitution. Hmm?
Yeah,
You are on it. Are you the one solving? Just say it and let me do it.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Then we should set it. You set it. Integration one. Integration one. No, you should start what's it then? Yeah, no. No, it's a so it will be I want to get that I was in. Yeah, for about
Wherever you see A, you put 4 over R cube. Now it's AR, so times R times R. AR equals what? 9.
Yeah.
Then now you having R will cancel one of the R here, right? So you'll be left with R2, right? So you have 4 over R squared equals what? 9. If you cross multiplying, you have 9R squared over this is equals what? 4 times 1, which is what? 4, right? Now, if you're looking for R, you divide by whatever that is attached with. So you divide by 9, you divide by 9. R squared is equal to,
Oh, my.
yeah, then you take the square root. I don't have space. I was supposed to repeat a step. So R, this one cancels that. R is equal to what? 2 over 3. Because that will be square root of 4 over 9 is the same as square root of 4 over square root of what? 9.
Yeah.
Someone wanted to ask a question.
Who said?
Can you see?
Yeah. No. I can't see.
Sure, you can see this one.
Yes, you can see. Hey, you can see. No, guys.
Stop eating Gary. Can you see now?
Yes.
Right. So, right. So now that you have R, you can just say put, and just say put, right? Put R equals, R is something, I've forgotten. 2 over 3. Into, so this the normal thing into equation, any equation at all, 1. Equation 1 is what?
It's AR equals 9.
9, yeah. AR equals 9. So that'll be AR is what? 2 over 3, right? Equals 9. Listen, we've already done it. So that'll be 2A over what? 3. It's equal to what? 9. Cross multiply, that would be 2A times 1, which is 2A. 9 times 3 is what? 27. In fact, A is 27 over 2. Let me just cut it short. You know. So, in fact, this is an alternative approach. So, alternatively, this is how you can solve. Yeah, right. Any question? Yeah, someone wanted to ask a question.
What's it?
Uh, Victoria, I asked you a question. Are you confused?
No.
Good, 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 good. Charity, it's your first day. I will not be surprised if you are. Are you? Because of time, I will send the rest of the question to the page, and when I meet you, we talk about some, okay, some. Remember, you are going to get a similar question on 3 consecutive terms of a GP. So I'm just going to send it to you. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to end the session for now. Integrated science is next. You have less than 30 minutes for your break. Would you agree?
No.
We have small time, you know. You came late. You already spent 1 hour on your journey. All right, 30 minutes. But if you're able to come earlier, I'll be glad. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Bye.
Bye.